Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to run DeepSeek AI locally. So this will only work for Windows laptops and not MacBooks because it's gonna be, I think it works for MacBooks, but I'm pretty sure it only works in Windows. So if you want, you can try it out right here. So all you have to do is search Olama in your browser tab. So Olama, so there you go. And then you click this one. So it's basically the same one as here. And then you download it. So there, it's actually available for Mac OS. I stand wrong. So download it for your Mac OS, and then basically while that's downloading, you will see here you will be able to select DeepSeek R1. So you can select right here the amount of actual code that you want. So 7 billion, 8 billion, 14 billion, 30 billion, 70 billion, and 671 billion. So of course you must have a beefy laptop to run LLMs, more like even more RAM. So standardly it's like 48 gig RAM, and basically sometimes they don't even handle the 32 billion LLMs that greatly. So you really must have a decent amount size of RAM in your computers. So you can run it right here just by downloading right here. So you can run this, and then basically once you have it, you have the installer downloaded. It's gonna just pop up in your tray basically, and then you can use this as usual using the terminal, and then the terminal will be basically just where you will run your LLM for DeepSeek R1, and it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that's how you run your DeepSeek AI locally. And I'm not really gonna download it because I know my computer cannot handle this much data, and it's really just pointless. So I'll just rather go chat GPT than rather than running a LLM so big that it's gonna crash my computer. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.